Okay, so I'm just really excited about this, so I'm posting this video and because I haven't even finished. I was gonna wait until I actually did something, but I'm posting it. I don't care. Bye bye. So I get this well, I don't know, estate, I guess, and they called and wanted me to take. I got a bunch of scrap metal. Here's it over there. I just dropped the truck off and they loaded it, but they want this gone. It's a Westinghouse, so I assume it's an electric golf cart. Yeah, I'll have to winch it out of there. It's buried. I don't know how long it's been sitting there, but yeah, I don't know. I'm assuming, yeah. So it's not aluminum, but I'm assuming that it's electric, because why would Westinghouse be doing gas power or maybe propane? But there's no tank or anything, so I'm thinking it's got to be electric. So anyways, I guess maybe I'll be doing a video on this. I was hoping it was aluminum, like checker plate, but it's very little magnetism, but it's still, there's some there. There's aluminum on there. So that's, yeah, that's what I'm looking at. There's some more stuff that I gotta bring the truck back. I'm gonna go home and unload it and then bring it back up. I got cold or something, flu maybe. So I just had some nice tea with honey and lemon and some Advil cold and sinus, and so you get the rest of this. Oh, I want to show this here. So I'm getting the stuff out of the truck that they gave me. A couple of bikes. I don't know if they're any good or not. Gas tank. Looks not too bad. It's like an old, I don't know, ATC handlebar or something. There's a little motor in there. And then there was this stuff. Heavier stuff. But yeah, then I get in here and look at that. Copper pipe and tubing. There's that aluminum step ladder. It's a little bent up, but still aluminum. Another gas tank. Some heavier stuff, like lighting stuff. So yeah, I don't know. A second. Oh, it's a garbage can later. Wish the garbage can was there. Some more. Oh, look at that. Pass load staples or brad nails or whatever. Anyhow, yeah, it's just unloading this, and then I'll take it back up and get some more. But figured I would throw in here. Oh, and there was a sign, a bridge sign, like a road sign. So see what else is there. Good heavy rebar. Yeah. So, yeah. I'm out here. Sorry, I'll show you. I got the golf cart pulled out. The two back tires are holding air. The front tire, I don't know yet. I don't think so, but anyways, it's like I gotta see. It's electric, so I'm gonna see if it works. I think that'd be pretty cool. It's it says it's Mardon Golf Cars Limited Club Car, Westinghouse. So yeah. Anyways, we'll see what we can do here. Oh well, this might be airing up. Kind of hard to tell with this little compressor, but if it does, I'm going to bring the quad down here and just hook onto the front and tow the thing over the edge. I guess I could tow it with the truck. Just have to get somebody to steer it. But the steering wheel turns and everything, so I don't know. See how she goes. Look at that. I don't know how long it'll hold, but that's pretty cool. Yeah, there's probably some neat things you could do with this if it get her working. I don't know if it does. Maybe it doesn't. I don't know. But, you know, at least it'll roll. Yeah, so I got, or Neil came out, one of the neighbors there, and he came out and we were just talking, and he just said I could just roll it into the ditch and leave it there because it's been sitting there for years already. So that's what I did, and then it was getting late. I was hungry. But, and I'm sorry about how loud that was, but yeah, it's just what it is. I was just pretty excited when I saw the tires taking air. Then you can just put it in neutral and then tow it home. Like I was sitting there thinking like, oh, it's got 3 wheels and that center wheel. I don't have a ramp that has like a center, for 3 tires. So I was going to borrow Aaron's trailer and because it has the fold down gate and everything, but then I was just kind of like, hey, if I can get the thing aired up, then I can get it over to Ed's, and then I can get, maybe Ed knows how to test the motor. He might, so he'll be home tomorrow, and I got to work tomorrow anyhow, so I won't be back until later in the afternoon. And then, yeah, I'm hoping that we can see if that motor works. And if it does, I've got those 125 amp hour batteries. They're like solar batteries, but I think they should work for that. I don't know. I'll have to talk to some of my experts. Royce, he knows about that kind of stuff, I think. So anyhow, I'm just pretty stoked about this thing. Like, if that thing works, that would be cool. I remember those carts from when I was a kid. That's like when my dad used to go to the golf course. Those were the carts they had. And they'd all be plugged in at the pro shop, and the guy'd come out and unplug it and give you your cart. But they're, I think they're probably pretty tippy. That's, I'm guessing why they don't have them anymore, but I think that'll be pretty cool if I can clean that up and get it working. Sweet.